The overhead digital signage display is built with 3 LED monitors hung side by side. Now, using our template, you're able to span an image across all 3 monitors or place assets on a specific monitor. 7 of those locations along the north concourse of the ground floor are dedicated to wayfinding applications. As your patrons enter the building, this will be the first digital signage that they see. These displays provide your show name and directions to a specific location, like registration. The content of these monitors are shared with all events in the building at that time, so your wayfinding will rotate with other clients' wayfinding. We are going to use the Wayfinding Photoshop template to create content for the wayfinding sign. These Adobe Photoshop templates use guidelines to separate the 3 monitors on top. We also include safe zones, which will give you an estimation on how bezels affect your design. Bezels are the surrounding edging on each monitor. As we look at our Photoshop template, we can see the top third is dedicated to the 3 monitors representing the overhead signs or the wayfinding signs. If you bring up the text safe area, you can see just a rough estimate of where those bezels are going to land. So let's start a design. We are going to start by dropping in a background. We're going to scale it to fit. We're going to make sure the background is in the background folder of the Photoshop template, so our text is on top. We're going to bring up the arrows, and then we're going to drop a logo and scale that to fit. And we'll just check our safe zones again. Everything is looking good. So now in this situation, we would just save the template and send it back to the convention center, who will then change the directions of the arrows depending on what sign it needs to go on, and then change the verbiage to reflect the arrow direction. And that's how to utilize the branding wayfinding template.